Did anyone have Bitcoin in November of 2021? Well, I did. And I suffered a 40% loss in a matter of a few weeks. The pain was excruciating. So Uasu is an easy way to protect against Bitcoin losses. And the best part is you don't need to surrender custody of your funds. It's 3 steps. You open up Uasu, you connect your wallet, you select the amount of Bitcoin you want to protect against and the duration you want it to be protected, and then you review the terms and you sign, and you're done. So the vision that we're taking is that there are very strong teams right now that are hard at work on cracking the Oracle problem. So the moment is right now, in a way.